beautiful. I like the packaging, you know. I think I opened the box wrongly. I was all over the place. That is tightly. You like it? What you like? Okay. I like how it's packaged, you know.
I like it.
So this is a 7 piece.
I like it.
Got this one. I like this one.
It's a really cool thing. I saw it.
No.
Here, grab that one. This one.
It is bubble.
Circle.
It's ceramic.
Thank you.
I like it, nice. I'm definitely using one of these for cooking today.
Yes. Okay. Then yummy.
Whenever I first wake up in the morning, thank you, Mommy. Whenever I first wake up when I wake up in the morning, I just do this and then it stretches.
Oh, Alfred. Father God, you are my Father, we come before you, Lord, in Jesus' name. Well, good night, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. This is another day, and today I'm decorating. Yeah, I said good night because it's actually night. I don't know why, but I prefer to decorate when it comes to nighttime. I prefer nighttime. It's more relaxing. You know, I can light my candle and just relax. It's fall time. Even though it's hot here in Georgia, it's not cold. It's not like Chicago where it's cold and nice, or cool I should say. And it's just more folly. You know, it's more like the autumn season, but here it's like I'm still in summer. Actually still in summer, so I wasn't getting the fall vibe, so I took this long to decorate because I wasn't going to decorate, especially because we just moved. I was waiting for Christmas because that's my absolute favorite. Going to decorate. The children want me to decorate, so I'm just going to get into it, and it's going to be a little bit of decor. So as you can see, everything here, this is what I'm using. I'm not doing a lot because the day after Thanksgiving, that's when I'm going to decorate for Christmas, by the grace of God. So I don't want to do too much. I'm going to use these things, just this amount. I only took out one bucket, and that's what I'm using. And I took some things out of another bucket. And then I have the things that I'm putting in the sofa, like the pillows and the blankets. So let's just get decorating.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything, as long as I can be here with you. Everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. Give me love, give me all your love, give me